Everybody keeps talking about AI coding, and honestly, I think we're talking about the wrong thing. Every week it's the same story. AI writes 50% of code. AI writes 70% of code. AI writes 90% of code. Developers are finished. Junior engineers are finished. Software engineering is over. And maybe you've noticed this too. The percentages keep going up, but software somehow isn't getting easier, which is weird, because if AI is doing most of the coding now, why are all the hard problems still hard? That question kept bothering me, because if you listen to the hype for long enough, you start feeling like you're missing something, like everybody else knows something you don't. Maybe AI really is becoming a software engineer. Maybe we're a few years away from typing, "Build me Uber," and it just happens. No architecture, no debugging, no production incidents, no distributed systems headaches, just prompts. That seems to be where the story is going. But the more I looked into it, the less convinced I became. Because, have you noticed something? All the impressive AI coding demos look weirdly similar. It's always, build me a dashboard, build me a website, build me a to-do app, build me a SaaS landing page, build me a CRM, build me another CRUD app. And look, I'm not saying that's useless. That's useful. People make money from that. But that's not where software engineering becomes difficult. The difficult part starts when things can fail. The difficult part starts when machines disagree. The difficult part starts when one bug costs millions of dollars. And I started noticing that nobody was showing AI solving those problems. Nobody. Not OpenAI, not Anthropic, not the people posting on X. Nobody. And at first I thought maybe the models just aren't good enough yet. Maybe that's all it is. Maybe GPT-6 fixes it. Maybe GPT-7 fixes it. Maybe bigger context windows fix it. Maybe more compute fixes it. Maybe more data fixes it. But then I ended up going down this rabbit hole, and somehow I stopped reading AI papers and started reading computer science papers, which is probably the least exciting sentence I've ever said, but that's where things got interesting, because I found this thing called the FLP Impossibility Theorem. Now, when you hear theorem, your brain immediately wants to leave. Mine did too. But the basic idea is actually kind of insane. Imagine a bunch of computers trying to agree on something. Simple enough. Who's the leader? Did the transaction happen? Should this update be accepted? Normal stuff. Now imagine one machine crashes, or one message arrives late, or the network decides to behave like every network you've ever worked with. And what the theorem basically says is there are situations where agreement cannot be guaranteed. Not difficult, not expensive, not waiting for future research. Impossible. Because nobody in AI talks about impossible. Everything is always framed as a capability problem. We just need a bigger model. We just need more training. We just need more GPUs. But what happens when the problem isn't a capability problem? What happens when the problem itself is impossible? Then I found the two generals problem, and somehow it got worse. Two armies need to attack together. They send messages. The problem is they can never be completely sure the last message arrived. So every confirmation needs another confirmation, and that confirmation needs another one. Forever. No final certainty, no perfect coordination. Again, not because people haven't tried, because the problem itself doesn't allow it. And this is where something clicked for me. I think we've accidentally started treating AI like it's magic, not technology. Magic. Because somewhere along the way, people stopped asking, can the model do this, and started assuming if it can't do it today, it will eventually. But that's not always true. Some walls don't move. Some walls are permanent. Then you get into the halting problem, then deadlocks, then concurrency, then state-space explosion. And every single one of these things points to the same conclusion. Software engineering isn't mostly about writing code. That's the weird part. Everybody thinks software engineering is writing code. It isn't. Writing code is the easy part. The difficult part is correctness. The difficult part is knowing the system behaves properly when everything goes wrong. And that's exactly where AI starts looking a lot less impressive. Because AI is fundamentally a prediction machine, an incredibly useful prediction machine, probably the most useful one we've ever built, but still a prediction machine. And predictions aren't proofs. That's the part people keep mixing up. When AI generates code, it predicts code that looks correct. That doesn't mean it proved anything.